for see the filter, we have to go to layer property, or you can type LA. Here we having a filter option, new property filter and group filter. For creating a new property filter, we'll click on this option, or we can take a shortcut Alt+P. Now, taking this option, specify the name of filter. I'm giving a name A, B, C. Now, on the basis of color, on the basis of name, on the basis of lock, unlock or freeze, you can separate the layer according to the property. Like I want to separate with the line weight of 0.3. So we separated one property with the layer 0.3. This is how we can separate a layer, or you can search with the name, like I want to search holes. So we separated this. So this is how we can separate the layer property in a one filter. Now click OK. So we get these two layers in ABCD filter folder. Now here we can control this layer property. Now let's see how to create a group filter. For a group filter, we have to click on a new group filter. Here we have to specify a name to a filter, group filter. I'm giving a name group filter. Now, how you can add layer to group filter? You have to click on all used layers, and from here you can drag and drop the layers into group filter. Like I want to add hidden line to this, dash line, center line and visible line. Like this, I want to create all the line type one group. So I will click on this option. I have all the layers in this option. So this is how we have created a group filter. So this is how we can create group filter and property filter in AutoCAD.